The model of the week is a 1960 Chrysler Imperial Convertible by SMP Models. This model is in really good shape, not very much in warping. A little bit that you can see right here by the front bumper, but it's not severe. Here's the driver's side profile, and the interior, of course, is exactly duplicated, including the oblong steering wheel and the interior seats and these huge fins and the Continental kit on the trunk lid. I'm a big fan of Imperials, and I have a couple more of these models, but yeah, I really like this design. Here's the passenger side profile, and the front end. See a little separation there from the grille and the hood. Well, that's limited warping on this model, so it's not much to be concerned about. And the underside has a friction motor and a black metal base, and it rolls real good. Friction motor is good. Glass is good. Nothing missing on this model. '60 Imperial is a beautiful car in my view. And this model is a perfect example of that, making this the model of the week. Thank you for watching.